Welcome back to FX Titan. Imagine this. You've got the skill to trade Forex, but your account balance looks like it's on a diet, small and barely enough to make an impact. If I told you there's a way to trade bigger amounts of money without risking your own soul, that's where funded accounts or prop firm comes in. In today's video, we'll explain what exactly are prop firms, how do they operate, how funded accounts works, we'll also look deep into that, and how you can get started with them. So if you are ready, let's dive in. A funded account is like renting a car to run a delivery business. You don't own the car or trading capital in this case, but you use it to make money. Once you prove you can drive or trade responsibly, you get access to the car or account. You keep a portion of the profits you generate, while the prop firm takes the rest as their share. It's a win-win situation. If you know what you are doing, you will succeed. Getting a funded account is like starting a new job with a probation period. So here is how it works. Number one, we have the evaluation phase, where the prop firm now gives you a demo account and asks that you meet the specific target. For instance, earning 10% without losing more than 5% of the account balance. This proves you are a skilled and disciplined trader. The next phase is verification phase. If you pass the evaluation, you go through another phase called the verification phase. In this phase, you go through another round of stricter rules so you can prove your consistency of maintaining profits. And the third phase is when you are given the funded live account. So once you pass the tests that are given to you, you are given a real account with a specific capital amount to trade. During this process, the prop firm monitors your trading to ensure you stick to their rules. Trading with a prop firm is like playing a board game. There are rules, and if you break them, you are out. Some common rules include daily loss limits. You can't lose more than a set percentage in one day. Overall loss limit is another rule. You can't lose more than a certain amount overall. Number 3, another rule can be profit targets. You must reach a specific profit percentage during the evaluation. Another rule that can be there is over-leveraging. You can't use excessive lot size that exceeds their risk limit. Following these rules is key to staying in the game, progressing towards being a funded trader. Here is why prop firms are a great option. Number one, leverage big capital. You might not have capital on your own, but these firms have very large capital. You can get access to large trading accounts without risking your own money. Another good or advantage of prop firms is profit sharing. You keep up to 70 to 90% of the profits you generate, while the prop firm keeps the rest as profit. Skill over money. That's another advantage. Prop firms focus on your trading skill, not on how much money you have. So your skills is of advantage over the money that you make from the prop firm. No personal risk. If you lose, it's the firm's money, not yours. It's like pitching a business idea to an investor and working together to share. But it's not all sunshine and rainbow when dealing with prop firms. Here are the challenges. Number one, they have strict rules. If you break the rules, you lose your chance of being funded. Number two, you are under pressure to perform. Knowing that you are trading someone else's money can be stressful. Number three, evaluation fees. Most prop firms charge a fee for the evaluation process, and if you fail, you lose that money. It's like being a chef in a high-end kitchen. You need to follow the recipe perfectly, face the consequences. Here is how you can start. Number one, you need to research prop firms. Look for reputable firms like FTMO, my Forex funds, or the funded trader. These are examples of prop firms that might fit into what you are looking for. Number two, understand their rules. Each firm has different requirements, so read through their guidelines carefully. Number three, practice on a demo account. Sharpen your skill before applying for evaluation. And number four, pay the evaluation fees, of course. Depending on the type of the company, pay fees. This is the entry fee for the process. Think of it as your ticket to try out. And trade consistently. Stick to the rules and show the firm that you can trade, that you are resourceful and you can trade responsibly. Now, passing the evaluation is your golden ticket to getting funded accounts, which is very important for you. Here are some tips to help you succeed with a prop firm. Follow the rules. Treat them like the holy bread of trading. Stay disciplined. Don't chase trades or overtrade. It's best to look out for points of entry and exit. hit your target faster. Manage risk. Keep your losses as small as possible. Let your wins grow. Take it slow. Focus on passing the evaluation first. Funded trading is a marathon, not a sprint. To sum it all up, prop firms and funded accounts are a fantastic way to level up your trading without risking your own. But remember, it takes skills, discipline, and patience to succeed. If this video helped you, please do hit the like button, subscribe to FX Titan, and turn on notification for more Forex lessons. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. You can go through the rest of my videos and learn more about Forex. For this series for Forex beginner, we have come to the end. Hope that this video is very helpful to you. And I hope to see you in the next videos.